Welcome to qnawire.
Hi friends, here it is given. A uniform rod having the total mass m is bent in a shape as shown in the figure. It is suspended by using the wire at V. The bent rod is hit at D point, which giving the impulse F into delta T in the direction perpendicular to plane of the rod along negative Z axis. We have to calculate velocity of center of mass and angular velocity. Since there is no impulse along x-axis and y-axis, so Vx is equal to 0. Vx is 0 since m Vx is 0. My is 0 by constraint relation. So T delta T is equal to mby, that is m into 0. So T into delta T is also 0. Impulse F delta T is equal to mvz. So Vz is equal to, we will get minus F delta T by m. Hence, we can say the velocity of center of mass is, answer I am writing, velocity of center of mass is minus F delta T by m k cap. So this is the answer of A part. Now in B part, angular velocity we have to calculate. Momentum about center of mass G minus A I cap minus AJ cap cross minus F delta T K cap is equal to HX I cap H by J cap plus HZ K cap. So you will get, taking the cross product in the left hand side, you will get AF delta T I cap minus AF delta T J cap is equal to HX I cap HY J cap plus HZ K cap. So from here you may write angular momentum about, momentum about x direction is AF delta T and y direction AF delta T, and in z direction it is 0. Say equation 1. Moment of inertia Ix 1 by 12 m by 2 2a square m by 4 a square m by 4 a square. So it becomes 2 by 3 ma square. Similarly, moment of inertia along y-axis 2 into 1 by 3 m by 4 a square, that is 1 by 6 ma square. Moment of inertia along xy m by 4 a by 2 into a plus m by 4 minus a by 2 into minus a. So it becomes positive 1 by 4 ma square. Ixz is equal to 0 and Iyz is equal to 0. From equation 1 and 5, we can write AF delta T is equal to 2 by 3 ma square omega x 1 by 4 ma square omega y is equal to 0. Seventh equation minus a f delta t minus 1 by 4 ma square omega x 1 by 6 ma square omega y plus 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus Iz omega z. Multiplying equation 8 by 3 by 2 and adding to 6. And adding to 6, we will get minus half a f delta t 7 by 24 ma square omega x. So from here omega x is equal to from equation 8 we can write minus a f delta t plus 1 by 4 7 a f delta t is equal to 1 by 6 ma square omega y. So from here omega y you will get minus 60 by 7 f delta t upon ma, and omega z is 0. So we can write omega is equal to minus 12 by 7 f delta t by ma I cap minus 60 by 7 f delta t ma by j cap. So you can write 12 by 7 f delta t upon ma minus I cap minus 5 j cap. That's all for it. Thanks for watching it.